Monday, August 6th, taking a little walk break on this recovery run. Turns out my calf is very sore, and I could definitely feel it on the way up the trail because it is a gradual uphill. Downhill's not so bad, but I'm cutting my run short by 2 kilometers. I don't want to push it, so taking it really easy. Run is done. Walking home now. My calf feels fine when I'm rocking. My calf feels fine when I'm walking. Oh well. It is what it is. And when I have sucky runs, I just have to think back to all the good ones last week. So, such is life. We just carry on. But that's how Monday's starting so far. At least I ran. I feel way better than I did if I would have skipped this run. Calf soreness and all. Oh, sorry guys. Need some coffee. Throw on the old cute compression socks. Go to acupuncture today. Living that grandma life. I love it. This is the pretty trail. And it goes down for another 1.5 miles. I usually take this side trail, which leads me to the cul-de-sac that links up to my house. I'll see you guys back at my place. It's a good thing I've finished the bulk of my stretching already, because anytime the yoga mat comes out, these girls are all over it. Luna is chewing on the rope, and Nala is the one giving me the side eye. No paparazzi. Hi everyone, I just finished my acupuncture appointment. I'm keeping my sunglasses on because I'm very tired and I definitely fell asleep during the appointment, so I have like some pillow marks all over my face, but it was awesome. Oh, excuse me, I'm gonna start yawning here. Yeah, so she did a mixture of acupuncture, massage, and cupping. We started with me facing upwards, and she did some needle points on like my arms, and then on like my feet and my shins, and then she did some cupping on my quads. The struggle is real. And then I flipped over, she did some stuff on my hamstrings and did like cupping along my IT band and my calf muscles and more massage. So yeah, I got lots of like lymphatic drainage going on, but it's definitely worth it. I highly recommend trying either of the 3, acupuncture, cupping, or massage therapy. It's a good addition to a self-care routine if your wallet allows, or if you have work benefits like I do. My benefits luckily cover this kind of thing, so I figure I might as well use them and use them for my recovery. So yeah, that is that. It's been a good Monday. I'm going to go home and eat and go to bed. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Just finished my warm-up. Time to do the rest of my track workout. It is 5 in the morning. Let's see how this goes. I'm pretty tired this morning, but I'm gonna get it done. Hi guys, I realized that I didn't pop in after my workout. I'm back from work, changed immediately into workout clothes again because I'm gonna do some stretching and mobility tonight and have an Epsom salt bath. My run went really well. Sorry. My cover-up does not cover up for, well, I did my makeup at 7 this morning and it is 5:15 now, so you'll just have to stare at my angry pimple. You're welcome. Yeah, anyway, the workout went really well. It was long. I did 17 kilometers, which was actually longer than my long run on the weekend. I did a 2.5 kilometer warm-up, and then I did 6 by 1600, which is a mile, and then I did 400-meter recovery in between, and then a 2.5 kilometer cool down. And there's this guy at the track. It was really weird, and he must have been drunk or something, because he looks at me and walks directly into the lane that I was working in. I was in lane 2, and he's like stumbling around. I'm trying to run, and I'm just like, do I tell him to move, or do I just walk around him or move around him? So I ended up going to like the very last, or like the very outer lane, which I think is lane 6, to get around him, because he would just stand there at some points and just like stare off into space, and I'm just like, what are you doing? And the weirdest part is every time I ran by him, he would stop and just stand there, and then he would burp. I was like, what the fuck? And I was kind of annoyed by it at first, and then I was just like, well, this is just what he's gonna do, so I would just wait for it, and sure enough, bleh, he'd belch every time I ran by. And so he ended up doing 2 laps of the track. I had ran 5 kilometers in the time it took for him to do those 2 laps, because he would just stop and stand there and burp everywhere and be drunk. And I was like, oh my god, dude, just get off the track, please. I'm trying to work here. But other than that, that's the only exciting news that I have to share about my track workout. So it's really hot in here. It is, let's look at the old thermometer, 86 degrees in the house. I don't know if you can see that. I have my front camera on. Oh, my arm's getting tired. Yeah, I'm going to go do my mobility and lay in front of the fan, and that's it. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, drinking my coffee, having my oatmeal. I realized I haven't checked in since my track workout on Tuesday. Wednesday was my rest day. Yesterday I didn't run, not because I was feeling bad or anything. I slept through my alarms, and then after work it was like 30 something degrees, so it was like 90 degrees Fahrenheit when I got home after work. And I'm not about to run in that kind of heat. I was gonna run on the treadmill, which is in our laundry room, but Ryan was working in our basement suite downstairs, so all the doors were open, so it was like boiling hot in the garage and laundry room, and I was like, you know what? Tomorrow's a new day. So this morning I did 11 kilometers on the treadmill. Oh, excuse me. 7 in the morning right now. Haven't had my coffee. I'm kind of together, like I put on a bit of makeup, but I have to go to work in half an hour, or leave for work anyway. So this check-in will be quick, but yeah, the run was good, I guess. took a few breaks just because I think mentally I just wasn't in it, just feeling tired this morning. Tomorrow I have my long run, which is 16 kilometers again. And that is that. That's the check-in for this Friday morning. I'm eating blueberry oatmeal with coconut, I think it's coconut almond protein powder from Vega. Oats, frozen blueberries, protein powder, pumpkin seeds, and peanut butter. So that's the plan this morning. Fuel up, get ready, and start the day. Saturday morning. It's 9:59 in the morning. Just finished 8 kilometers. I was supposed to do 16 today. Slept in again. It's so humid. My calf is a little bit sore again. It's been on and off all week. Don't know what's going on there. Trying not to be paranoid about it. Maybe I'll do the other half later. Maybe not. It's been a weird week in running. I've ran 5 out of 6 days on my plan. One day I ran more than was scheduled. Today I ran less than what's scheduled. And I don't know, feeling indifferent about it. It is what it is. And next week is a new week. Also, for my ladies out there, I got my period this week. And normally I don't get really bad cramps, but yesterday I could feel it when I was running and I was like, oh my god, this is where I die. I had to stop recording there because an older man and like 6 dogs walked by and I thought, he probably doesn't want to hear my period talk right now, so let's just stop the video. But I'm back. Just walking home. Part of me wants to do the rest of my run later. We'll see how I feel. I also don't want to keep pushing because then if I strained something, I don't want it to turn out into like a full-blown injury where I have to take a bunch of time off. So yeah, there's that. Hello, it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I realized in one of my clips from this morning, I said it was Saturday. It's actually Sunday today. Yeah, I had a shower. I did not wash my hair. Threw it up in this little bun. Also didn't wash my hair after my run yesterday. So now it's making a little cameo. Are you comfy? Yeah, so I am going to get dressed. I haven't worn any makeup all weekend. It's kind of my weekend thing if I don't have a lot going on. Or if I do. Just let my skin breathe and hang out. I'm gonna get myself dressed, go grocery shopping. I did a little bit of meal prep. I made like a big batch of a smoothie, and I put it in like 4 little jars so that I can take it to work for a little snack. I also made a big batch of celery juice, which I heard is really good for your skin, so try that out. I did try it last week, but I didn't strain the pulp out of it, so it was like not very good. Also, it tastes just like celery. It's very healthy. Excuse me. Yeah, so maybe I'll take a nap this afternoon. I'm kind of tired. Probably won't. Yeah, that's the plan. Nothing exciting to report. Next week, hopefully I will be a little bit better about my running, fitting it all in, waking up on time. I feel like I slept a lot this weekend. Ugh. And yet I keep on yawning. So, I don't know. My body's just tired. Tomorrow is week 3 of Operation Half Marathon PR. Yahoo! It'll be a good week. It will be. I hope you guys had a great weekend, a great week. Thanks for following along on week 2 of Operation Half Marathon PR. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!